balita. Tanghali, mga kababayan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga gili kong tagapakinig. Mga kababayan, nais ko pong iparating sa inyo na nagkaroon po ang tinatawag na House of Representatives, Congressman George Patrol Bustos, Vice Chairperson po ng Committee on Public Order and Safety, nag-join the bicameral conference on the disagreeing provisions of Senate Bill number 1155 and House Bill number 10610, seeking to extend the validity of the license to possess firearms and ammunitions from 2 years to 5 years, amending Republic Act number 10591 or the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunitions Regulation Act. Sinabi po sa conference resulted the extension of validity of firearm registration and license to carry from 2 years to 5 to 10 years. Sabi po ni Congressman Bustos was also instrumental in the exemptions of military and uniformed personnel, but for those who are in active service and retired from the requirements of threat assessment. Mga kababayan, yan po, walang iba na siyang nagbigay po ng karagdagan para po sa tinatawag na license to carry from 2 years to 5 to 10 years. Mga kababayan, yan po ang mga sinagawa ni Congressman Bustos. At nagtungo po siya, mga kababayan, na nakarang araw lamang sa Balanga City, Bataan. Bustos served as the guest of honor and speaker for a consultative meeting held today at Bataan Police Provincial Office in Balanga. The meeting was actively participated by the several sectors of the society that champion the public safety advocacy in the province of Bataan, which Patrol PARTLIST represents as the sectoral organizations. Officers from the Philippine Army, Philippine Coast Guard, Kabatang Kontra Droga at Terrorism, National Spokesperson France Arabia, and Police Colonel Romel Velasco, Provincial Director of Bataan, PPO, joined Congressman Bustos to panelists for this activity. Sabi nga po natin, mga kababayan, ang Public Safety Alliance for Transformation and Rule of Law, number 133 po, one heart, one goal, one matatag na edukasyon. Pangalawa, maginhawa na kalusugan. Pangatlo, panatag na kabuhayan para sa pamilyang Pilipino. Gusto ko, safe ka. Yan po, mga bayan, ang saad ni Congressman Bustos. Sama-sama tayo sa 2022 para sa proteksyon ng pamilyang Pilipino. Sila po ay nasa 133. Nakalagay po sa inyong balota. Mga kabayan, yan po ang mga naglilingkod para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa buong pamilya. Salute to your advocacy. God bless. Yan po mula rito sa newsroom ng Rap Radio 6.7 FM, mga bayan, Manila. Ako po ang iyong tagapagatid, balita. Lynn Orquesa.